Hey, you want to do something stupid? Is it on your diet? Nope. Is it heart healthy? Absolutely not. In fact, nobody should eat these things, but man, they are good. We're doing cookie dough egg rolls. Frozen chocolate chip cookie dough, egg roll wrapper, deep fried, ice cream, chocolate caramel. Hold on for this one. Cookie dough egg rolls. We're going to take our egg roll wrapper with the sides and using frozen cookie dough, 3 halves, so a cookie and a half. Fold it over. We'll get a few of these made up, throw them in the freezer, and then we'll get them cooked. We've got our oil in my Tefal right here. I cleaned that thing out today. It's an easy cleanup. New oil in it, so why not get it dirtied up with something chocolate and delicious and crispy. All right, the oil's ready. These are the ones I made inside. I'm gonna drop 5 of them. I cook outside. I don't want the smell of this grease and oil in the house. And like I've said before, I just make a mess anyway, so why not minimize it? I think I can get all 5 in there at once. All right, our oil's at about 375. We're gonna drop those in there good and slow. All we want to do is get, there we go. Oh yeah. We just want to get those egg roll wrappers brown. And when they're brown and crispy, we're going to put them on this rack to drain off the excessive moisture. What do I mean by excessive moisture? Oil, grease. Excessive moisture just sounds better than we'll let the grease drain off. So we're going to take one of these, let them cool for a couple seconds, put it in our boat since we've been talking about fair food. I'm telling you, you don't need more than one of these. A little scoop of ice cream right about there. It's bath time around here, so you might hear some girls talking. A little chocolate syrup. A little caramel sauce. I could put some powdered sugar across that, but I'm on a diet. All right, listen for the, look at that. Look at it. Listen for the crunch. Uh-oh. Check out that dewy go and the dewy go. Dewy go. Gooey dough. Right? Gooey dough, yeah. Check that out. Papa C taste test. Oh, that'll work. See what you got to say about this. We're doing jalapeno popper egg rolls. Everything that's in a jalapeno popper, stuck in an egg roll wrapper, deep fried. Again, not on your diet, not heart healthy. And once again, it's an item that you should not eat more than one of. Let's see how we do it. All right, these I think I'm going to save out. This looks like it might be enough to do it. I'm using this old school, not really old school, but the press secretary hates it. I love it. Cream cheese, jalapeno, Western style pepper and garlic. Probably about that much. This is real bacon bits that you buy in a pouch, not actual bacon. And a regular cheese, sharp cheddar. After a taste test, we decided that it was missing a little something, and I think what it was is I chopped up the jalapenos too finely. So what I had saved out left over, we're gonna go ahead and use it, but not quite as finely chopped. We keep looking for just a certain flavor, but neither one of us knows what it is. So we're going to go in with some of my brother's smoked jalapeno dust. Not a whole lot, just maybe enough. I think that's going to do it. Whoo! Egg roll. Wet the edges. And if you see a fly right there, it's because we're outside. Things happen. You get a ball of that. Get it to be about like so. Drop it in your egg roll wrapper. Seal it up. That gives me 5. We're going to drop those and see what happens. All right, just a few minutes in there. They're crispy already. Put them on the rack, let them drain. And we're going to top it with either nothing or, get out of there, Frank's or ranch. Ooh, it's hot. Look at that. Look at it. All right, give it a try. It's hot. Wow, that's good.